Now you might think that creating stored procedures is very tedious in MySQL because we have to change this default delimiter every time we want to create a stored procedure. So let me show you an easier way. Here in the Navigator panel, we can right-click on the Stored Procedures folder and create a stored procedure. Now in this window, we don't have to worry about changing the delimiter. We just focus on our SQL statements. So let's give this new procedure a name, like get payments. As I told you before, MySQL by default adds this backtick character, and this is to prevent a name clash with SQL keywords. Okay, so here we simply select everything from the payments table, and we should terminate this statement with a semicolon. Now, here in the bottom right corner, you should see two buttons, apply and revert. As I told you before, unfortunately, they are not visible in my recording window. Just click on apply, and then MySQL generates these SQL statements. So it will take care of changing the default delimiter. We don't have to do it. Then go ahead and click apply. All right, now we have a new stored procedure here, get payments. When we call this, it returns all the payments. Beautiful.